Hey everyone, welcome. Trying to move crypto from your Binance Web3 wallet to another exchange? Well, whether you're cashing out or just swapping platforms, here's exactly how it's done. Open your Binance app, go to your Web3 wallet, and choose the crypto you want to send. Tap on send, then get ready to paste your recipient's address. Now open the exchange you're sending to, could be Coinbase, KuCoin, BitGet, anyone. Head to the deposit section. Select the same coin you're sending and make sure the blockchain network matches. Copy the deposit address carefully. Go back to Binance, paste the address, select the correct network and enter the amounts. Triple check everything, especially the network and wallet address. Mistakes can't be reversed. Tap confirm, enter your PIN or biometric and wait. Transfers are usually fast, but network congestion can cause delays. You can monitor the transaction using the TXID or transaction hash. That's it, your crypto is now off Binance and into your chosen exchange. For more such tutorials on crypto, make sure to follow and like the video. Thanks for watching.